Can you imagine a school that captures the full learning journey of every student? Not just marks, but thinking, collaboration, growth, voice, identity. Schools work tirelessly to document learning. Yet most systems record only outcomes, not effort. Scores, not stories. What if that changed? Introducing News Epic, your trusted partner in creating a collaborative learning environment in schools. Develop with media literacy. Evolve with effective practice. Reuse with purpose. Voice with responsibility. Collab with confidence. As the term begins, learning starts to take shape. Students grow year after year with projects they work, ideas they explore, discussions they participate. This is their real growth journey with stories and expression. Student identity is not just a roll number and captured in marks. See students as learner. Their projects, their ideas, their achievements, their skills. Projects students do can be captured as they happen and stay with schools. As images, PDF, videos, articles and more. School magazines is normally a year-end task with continuous follow-up and efforts. Now, imagine, creating a magazine isn't a separate task. It becomes a natural outcome. Not over months, not with 300 plus man hours, but in minutes. With learning captured as it happened during the session. When it comes to news reading, one newspaper for all classes doesn't work. A grade 3 learner and a grade 10 student don't process the world the same way. With News Epic, schools share class-specific current affairs paired with Q&A and birthday wishes. Across grades, age-appropriate, controlled frequency, structured, measurable. So when the term ends, the school sees more than results. It sees growth. Learning doesn't happen alone. It happens in groups, discussions, disagreements, and discoveries. Content of which is made trustworthy using topics, which filters all media, text posts, articles, PDFs, images, and videos. News Epic helps schools save time, reduce manual effort, capture real learning, and many more. Because learning was captured all along. If your school already believes learning is more than marks, News Epic helps you see it, manage it, and showcase it. Let us show you how. Book a demo. Experience News Epic in action.